Greetings, you've tuned into HouseLux Estate, the ultimate destination for all things investment and portfolio management. This is your go-to hub for smart, simplified solutions where we demystify complex financial concepts and guide you towards achieving your investment goals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we're here to help you navigate the world of finance. In today's feature, we delve into the world of robo-advisor investing and how it can simplify your portfolio. Imagine a world where managing your investments is as simple as a few clicks. Welcome to the world of robo-advisor investing. Robo-advisor investing is a cutting-edge approach to investment management that uses sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence to handle your portfolio. No, it's not a robot sitting behind a desk crunching numbers, but rather a digital platform that provides automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with minimal human supervision. The purpose of robo-advisor investing is to make investing more accessible, affordable, and hassle-free. It democratizes the investment landscape, breaking down traditional barriers like high fees and complex jargon. Now, you don't need to be a Wall Street wizard or have a mountain of wealth to start investing. With robo-advisors, anyone can build and manage a diversified portfolio. The way it works is quite simple. You answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Based on your responses, the robo-advisor uses its algorithm to construct a portfolio tailored to your needs. It then manages this portfolio, rebalancing it as market conditions change to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. Robo-advisor investing is revolutionizing the investment landscape in several ways. First, it's making investing more accessible by lowering the entry barrier. You can start with a small amount and gradually build your portfolio. Second, it's removing the complexity from the investment process. You don't need to understand market trends or financial jargon. The robo-advisor does all the heavy lifting for you. Third, it's making investing more affordable by reducing fees. Traditional investment advisors typically charge a percentage of your portfolio, which can add up over time. Robo-advisors, on the other hand, charge a flat fee, making them a more cost-effective solution. Robo-advisor investing is not a futuristic concept. It's happening now, and it's making investments more accessible. It's a tool that leverages technology to simplify the investment process, making it easier for you to grow your wealth. So, the next time you think about investing, consider letting a robo-advisor do the work for you. You might be wondering, how does this all work? How can a robot manage my investments? Well, let's break it down. Robo-advisors use sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence to manage your investments. But don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz to understand how it works. The process begins with setting up an account. Just like with any other investment platform, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This typically includes your age, income, and risk tolerance. This information will help the robo-advisor understand your financial situation and goals. Next, you'll define your investment goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house? Or maybe you're just looking to grow your wealth over time. Whatever your goals may be, the robo-advisor will take them into account when creating your personalized investment strategy. Once your account is set up and your goals are defined, the robo-advisor gets to work. It uses the information you provided to create a diversified portfolio tailored to your needs. The robo-advisor selects a mix of assets like stocks and bonds that align with your risk tolerance and investment goals. But the robo-advisor doesn't just set it and forget it. It continually monitors the market and your portfolio. If the market changes, the robo-advisor adjusts your portfolio to keep it aligned with your goals. This could mean buying or selling assets or reallocating funds between different types of investments. Now, you might be asking yourself, how does the robo-advisor know when to make these adjustments? Well, that's where the magic of algorithms and artificial intelligence comes in. The robo-advisor uses these tools to analyze market trends and predict future movements. It's like having a crystal ball for the financial market. But don't think of robo-advisors as just robots making decisions on their own. They're guided by the principles of modern portfolio theory. This theory suggests that it's not just the individual investments that matter, but how they work together as a whole. By diversifying your portfolio, the robo-advisor aims to maximize your returns for a given level of risk. Of course, no investment is without risk, but robo-advisors aim to mitigate that risk by spreading your investments across a variety of assets. They also take a long-term approach to investing, which can help smooth out short-term market fluctuations. And remember, robo-advisors aren't just for the wealthy. Many platforms have low minimum investments, making them accessible to investors of all sizes. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, a robo-advisor can help you navigate the world of investing. Robo-advisors are not just about automation. They're about making smart, data-driven investment decisions. They take the guesswork out of investing, allowing you to focus on what matters most, reaching your financial goals. Now that we understand how robo-advisors work, let's look at why they're a game changer for investors. First off, simplicity. Robo-advisors make investing as straightforward as using a smartphone app. No need to study financial markets or pore over balance sheets. Just input your financial goals and risk tolerance, and the robo-advisor does the rest. It crafts a personalized investment strategy, selects the right investment tools, and manages your portfolio for you. Next, accessibility. Traditionally, professional financial advice was reserved for the wealthy, but robo-advisors have democratized investing. With a low minimum investment requirement, they've opened up the world of investing to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie, robo-advisors can help you grow your wealth. Now let's talk about cost effectiveness. Robo-advisors operate online, which reduces overhead costs. They also use algorithms, which are less expensive than human advisors. This cost saving is passed on to you in the form of lower fees. And remember, lower fees mean higher returns over the long term. Diversification is another significant benefit. Diversification is a key principle of investing, but it can be hard to achieve on your own. Robo-advisors, however, can easily create a diversified portfolio for you. They spread your investments across a wide range of assets to reduce risk and maximize returns. Lastly, robo-advisors are proactive. They continuously monitor your portfolio and make adjustments based on market conditions. This means your investments are always optimized for the best possible performance. In conclusion, robo-advisors offer a simple, accessible, cost-effective, and diversified approach to investing. They take the stress out of managing your own portfolio and free up your time for other things. They're not just a tool for the wealthy, but for anyone who wants to grow their wealth in a smart, efficient way. With robo-advisor investing, you're not just saving time and money, you're investing smarter. Robo-advisor investing is a powerful tool, but like all tools, it's most effective when used correctly. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered about robo-advisor investing. It's a digital platform that automates investment management. By using algorithms and machine learning, it can make investment decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's like having your personal financial advisor, but with the added benefits of 24/7 availability and precision that only technology can provide. We've learned that the process of robo-advisor investing is pretty straightforward. You start by answering a set of questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Based on your answers, the robo-advisor creates a personalized portfolio for you. It doesn't stop there. It continually monitors and adjusts your portfolio to keep it aligned with your investment goals. It's like having a personal trainer who not only helps you set your fitness goals, but also adjusts your workout regimen as you progress. The benefits of robo-advisor investing are significant. It offers a low-cost, accessible, and efficient way of managing your investments. It takes away the hassle of manual investing and helps eliminate emotional investing decisions, which can often lead to poor results. It's a perfect solution for those who want to invest but lack the time or expertise to do it on their own. It's like having a professional chef cooking for you every day, using the best ingredients, following the best recipes, and adjusting the menu based on your dietary needs. However, like any investment tool, it's not without risks. It's important to understand that while robo-advisors can help simplify your portfolio and potentially improve your investment returns, they don't guarantee profits. Investments always come with a certain level of risk, and it's crucial to have a clear understanding of that. Remember, the future of investing is here with robo-advisor investing. Thank you for joining us on HouseLux Estate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights on investment and portfolio management. Until next time, invest wisely.